Welcome to Bill's Bridge Tip of the Day, Tuesday, April 2nd, 2013. Let's look at the mechanics of the double squeeze. Double the fun. In a double squeeze, all four suits are involved. There are two one-card threats, where each opponent holds a one-card guard on each different suit, and each opponent holds a two or three-card guard on another common suit. The fourth suit is the squeeze suit itself. Here's an example. Spades are the two-card threat. In this case, it's called the pivot suit. Hearts and diamonds are one-card threats, and each defender holds a guard in one of those suits. In this case, West holds a guard in hearts, East holds a guard in diamonds. And the fourth suit is the club suit, the squeeze suit itself. Let's see what happens. We lead the 10 of clubs. West has a problem. He's squeezed. He must pitch a spade. If he pitches a heart, then the 10 of hearts is good on the board. North will discard a spade and the board is up, so he pitches a spade. Well, now North can pitch the 10 of hearts. It's no longer necessary because it's not going to be set up. And now it's East's turn. East, in turn, is squeezed. He cannot pitch a diamond because if he does, Declarer's Jack of Diamonds will win the trick and the Ace of Spades for the last. So he must also pitch a spade. Well, they both pitch spades, so now spades set up. Declarer has two spade tricks. The Ace of Spades and the Eight of Spades is the last trick. Let's go through this in a little more detail. The double squeeze in this example is two positional simple squeezes. It can be an automatic squeeze, and we'll see an example of that tomorrow. But as it is, it's two separate positional simple squeezes. Each opponent is squeezed and must discard from the pivot suit. The positional squeeze must be in place for both opponents. In other words, if the hands were reversed, the East and West hands were reversed, the squeeze would not be in place because dummy would have to discard before East and no squeeze exists. In the following hand, clubs is the pivot suit. You're in six spades. West leads the Queen of Diamonds, and you will lose the Ace of Spades. You have 11 tricks. You need 12. You win the King, and you play on trump. East wins the Ace of trump spades and returns the King of Hearts. You win the Ace of Hearts and pull the last trump. Now let's examine what we have. East guards the Jack of Hearts. He led the King. He probably has the Queen. West has a diamond guard, and East might also. We don't know yet, but we suspect that West at least has the Jack, since he led the Queen of Diamonds. So let's play the Ace of Diamonds and Ruff of Diamonds. Everybody follows. Well, now we know that West has a soul guard in diamonds. East has a soul guard in hearts. Now let's run the trump and see what happens. When you lead your last spade, the 7, West holds the diamond guard and 3 clubs to the Queen. He must pitch a club. He can't pitch a diamond, or the 8 of diamonds will be a winner on board. So it's a positional squeeze because you get to discard after West. You now discard the 8 of diamonds from dummy. And now East, he has the heart guard and 3 clubs. Well, likewise, he's squeezed. It's a positional squeeze. He has to pitch a club. If he pitches a heart, Declarer's Jack of Hearts wins. So he must pitch a club. Last 3 tricks are now the declares. He has 3 club tricks. Game, set, match. Tomorrow we're going to see an example where a double squeeze is automatic as opposed to positional. It can be, and in fact there are 2 or 3 different ways that these double squeezes come together. We'll cover that tomorrow. Aren't squeezes fun? The automatic double squeeze tomorrow. See you tomorrow.